Anna Rupch and I have been best friends for 9 years. When we were younger, we were always planning these amazing vacations, planning out how much everything would cost and what we would be doing in whatever country. But a year ago, we had a dream that came true. Anna's family owned a 48-foot sailboat that would take the two of us to Angel Island and Giants games. But what we were planning was bigger. The fantastic idea had been fed by Anna's dad, Steve. We were going to sail to Hawaii. When you think of going to Hawaii, you think of a 5-hour luxury flight or a cruise ship with hundreds of people. But how we would be getting there would take a lot longer. We guessed 14 days. Anna's boat Saihei would become our home for the summer as we made our way across the Pacific Ocean. It would be the 6 of us, my dad, Anna's dad, Steve and Lynn, 2 family friends, and Anna and I. Along the way, we saw and did amazing things. We saw flying fish, fantastic sunsets, dolphins, and whales. On the 6th day, we stopped in the boat and jumped in. Halfway there, we set off bottles with notes in our dresses, so someday in the future we may get a letter back. In the end, the trip was different than we expected. It took longer and we ran into more problems. Anna and I's life had changed during what ended up being 18 days on the boat, and this is the story of how we got here.
Say goodbye. There's nowhere else to go. I hope that you'll stay the night.